So now we are going to create display layers. We have a cylinder and a cube here. We are going to add the layers for this. So you have to select the object. You can find here, create a new layer and assign selected objects. Click that, you have got this layer 1 and you can hide and unhide the layers. Okay, that means you can easily optimize the scene. The second one is a cube. Again, I am selecting that. There are some other buttons here. It is just for creating a new layer. The second one, it is moving the selection down, and this is for making the selection list up. So I am creating a new layer here using the second button. I have created the layer. See, the layer 2 is created, but nothing is added in that layer. It's an empty layer. So I have to select the object which I need to add to that layer and right click on top of this layer, add selected object. So that now you have got added the cube also. So you can rename this layer. Double click that layer, you can rename it. This is a cube. Okay, save it. The second one, the first one, it is a cylinder. So now the cylinder is saved. So easily you can find out what are the objects make in this scene and this viewport. If you can drag and select, the both will get selected. You can move both together. These are the options and display layer objects which is available in Autodesk Maya. I am focusing this cube. I am going to come more about the components. When you select a polygon object, and if you right click on top of that, automatically you are getting lots of objects. I am dragging the right mouse button, and that dragging the right mouse button will make the selection of the components. I am selecting the vertex now. I am just selecting the vertex. Click it here. This vertex is selected. I can move that vertex. I can make a selection according. The components will get changed. And if I go to the next component, edge. See, when I am just going on top of, near to that edge itself, it is getting red. This one is red now. This one is red now. So if I need to select this edge is a combination of two vertex minimum. I can select this edge. I can move it like this. I can even rotate it. I can scale it. So these are the components which make the alterations to this model. Then I can go to face. I'm going to the face mode. Face means it's a combination of 3-4 edges. I can scale the face. I can move it. I can even rotate it. All these things you can make it according to the needfulness of this model. So I hope everyone can know about these components easily. And if you want to select again the object, you can go to object mode. You can select the whole object. You can move it, rotate it, and even scale it. Then the next component is multi. Multi means you can select multiple things together. Edge can be selected, vertex can be selected, face can be selected. So that is the multi-component option. Then the next one is the UV. UV we use to create the texture placement. I'll take details about this UV texturing while taking the UV texture classes. Okay. So the components of Polygon is clear for everyone, and we can go to the next chapter.